everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well and having a lovely day. Or if you're brand new and you've just stumbled across my video, then hi, my name is Kate. I make loads of videos about parenting, being a mum, babies, that kind of thing. So I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. If this is the first video you're ever watching of mine, or even if you've watched a few and you still haven't subscribed, then there's a button down there that you can go and click to subscribe. It really helps me out. I'd be so happy if you did, and it means that I will hopefully pop up in your subscription box whenever I make a new video. Or if you'd like to be one of the first people to see whenever I make a new video, then there is a little bell that you can click to be notified, so it will pop up on your phone and stuff as soon as a new video goes live. So let me know if you do either of those things in the comments. I would be really grateful and I'd love to say thank you to you. Whew, that was really fast. I tried to do that as quick as possible. So for today's video, I thought I would do my 6 to 12 month baby must-haves or best buys. I've done one for when my little boy Elliot was a newborn, so like my newborn baby essentials, and then a 3 to 6 month one, and I haven't done one since, and he is now 1 year old, so I thought it would be a really good time to show you just a few of the things we've been using and really enjoying in the last sort of 6 months. I'm not going to repeat things that I've mentioned in those previous videos, so if you haven't seen them, I'll link them in the description box below for you, because I just thought it'd be like really boring if I just mention the same things. There's obviously lots of things that we still use and that are still relevant for the whole of our baby's first year. If I miss out really obvious things like nappies and wipes, or bigger things like a pram or something, it's probably because we're still using the ones we were using. So yeah, pop over and watch those after that video if you're interested. So the first thing that we have found so helpful is his non-slip bath mat. We got this on Amazon probably around the time he turned 6 or 7 months. We had a little baby bath that is in my previous videos before that, which was perfect, but as soon as he started to try to sit up in the bath, it really was no good. So we got this bath mat because now that he can stand and pretty much walk around, he doesn't really love sitting down in the bath. He's a very like climbing out of the bath type child, or he'll like reach out to grab toys, or he's just all over the place in the bath, and it's not the best place for a baby to be trying to walk around in a slippery bath. So the bath mat is amazing. It just suctions onto the bottom of your bath. You can remove it when you want to have a bath yourself or a shower, obviously, and we've just found it so helpful. So I'll try and link a few of these things in the description box below, but like I said, we got that one on Amazon. Next up is his cup. I've actually just taken this from him, the poor child. I did give him a drink before I borrowed it. He's downstairs at the moment with his nan and granddad, but this is the cup that we've been using for a little while, and he really likes it. I never know whether you pronounce this nubby or newbie, but this is the cup that he has. I wasn't sure if he'd get on with it at first because it's the type that, so it's non-spill, you can obviously tip it up always, it won't come out, and they just sort of suck anywhere around the top and drink comes out, and I thought, I don't know how easy that will be for him to get the hang of, but he got it straight away. Once they've got it, it's a really good way to give them a drink, because we found that the ones with the straws are really hard to clean and they leak. The ones with the spout, they often start leaking after a while, and this one is doing really well so far. It's really easy as well to just take apart when you want to clean it, as some of them aren't. It looks a bit complicated, but all you do is just pop out these pieces, and I have just soaked myself with water, not gonna lie. And then once it's all clean, you just pop it back in. It's just really easy. So yeah, I would really definitely recommend these cups. I can't remember the age he started using it, because as I said, we've tried a few different ones, but I think from the age of 6 or 7 months they could start trying something like this when they're, you know, weaning and stuff. But as he's gotten a little bit older, he's definitely found it really easy and he really likes it. I'll stick with weaning for a minute because we never really had these for our eldest little boy, and they both use them. We use these every single day. It's probably something that most people already have, but I love them, and that is the IKEA children's plastic everything. They do a set of, I believe, 6 plates, a massive pack of cutlery, which I find really helpful. We don't really use the knives, but the spoons and the forks are really good. And 6 bowls, and then I didn't actually bring them up, but the matching cups as well, which I have more for my eldest, who is nearly 4, so I wouldn't really suggest the beakers, like the cups for babies, but you can get them as well. They're so inexpensive. They're something like $1.49 a set. I'll try and find the exact prices and put them below. They're microwave safe, they're dishwasher safe, they're BPA free, and they're actually made of the same plastic used to make baby bottles, so these are really good. I've also got something else from IKEA that I thought I would show you. We've only been using it in the last few weeks, so more on the towards the 12-month side of this video, but it is Elliot's duvet and pillow set. So you're recommended not to give them a duvet or pillow till they're over 12 months, which is why we've only just got one. But I'm probably sound terrible saying this, but I don't like the garish baby duvet prints that you just see everywhere with cartoons and things on. I like something that looks a bit more trendy. So when IKEA got this print, I don't know how well it's come up on the camera, I was all over it. I was like, yeah, that's perfect for his bedroom. So it's like a grey and white sort of graphic print. I can't really explain it, it's just like lines, and then it has this bright yellow trim, and then it also comes in a set with the duvet cover, and they have like this thicker one and this thinner one on the side. I'm really sorry if it's not showing up very well, but again, it's got this like fluorescent yellow trim all the way around, which I thought was really cool, and it comes with a matching sheet. So it comes, obviously it doesn't come with the duvet, the actual duvet and the actual pillow. They sell those separately to fit in IKEA. But the set was £13 and it's really nice quality. It's so soft. It's perfect sort of cot bed sized duvet and pillow. Like, this is a really small little pillow, and it's very thin as well. It doesn't feel like too overwhelming for them. So yeah, for £13, next time I'm in there, I'm definitely going to go and get a double of those. Again, something that we use a lot for bedtime, and I have actually mentioned this in previous videos, but I thought I would just mention it again because I do love it, and that is the Whisper. But basically, Whisper is like a white noise machine disguised in this really cute little bear. It's a really lovely design. It has different like patterns on its little legs and on its ears, and the good thing about this is when you do have a younger baby, so maybe more towards the 6-month side, and you don't want to put a toy in their cot with them, it can hook over the side of their crib or their cot, and as they get older they can like have it in their cot and sleep with it, and it's just really soft and cute, and if your baby responds well to white noise, this is a really, really good one. I mentioned before that Elliot's skin is really, really dry. He has like red dry patches occasionally, so we've been trying a Vino recently. This is the Daily Care Baby Gentle Wash, but I prefer the emollient. It's much thicker, and that really helps to keep your skin really smooth. It's slightly on the more expensive side, but when it's your baby's skin, I think it's definitely worth spending that bit more money. Another skincare brand I love, and I've spoken about before, is Roche-Posay. This is their lipid replenishing balm, and it's anti-scratch, anti-irritation, so this is great to put on them when they get out of the bath, and it makes their skin really soft and smooth. And also their sun care products, they're like sun cream, are really, really good. This is a little travel sized 50ml, so great for taking in your carry-on on the plane, so if you get off the plane in a hot country you can just put it straight on them. Yeah, their products are like 50+, and they're specifically made for children, these like orange ones, so I really, really do rate their products. Between 6 to 12 months is when I feel like babies really start to look at the world around them a bit more, and they really need a lot of stimulation. I mean, they do from birth, but even more so as they get that little bit older. So books become really, really important. And as they get older, like now he's 12 months, he's really actually interested in these rather than we kind of forcing them on him. He loves these That's Not My books. Archie loved them as well, but I can't remember which one he had. But these ones are Elliot's because he loves jungle animals. I think, again, I forced that upon him. He just loves them. He gets it straight away. Like, he feels all the different textures. So obviously, if you haven't seen them, they're really, really good. There's different textures on each page. So it's just a real good, like, tactile, touchy-feely book. There's like fairy bits, and yeah, they're just so, so cute. I think you can sometimes pick them up in TK Maxx for cheaper. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them in like supermarkets. Yeah, they're just really great, and they have loads of different ones. So books are definitely so important, as well as stimulating toys. So I thought I would just show you a few that Elliot's been loving playing with recently. Having a big brother makes it quite difficult to get him to stick to having those baby toys. He is much more interested in the older boys' toys, but the ones that he does go back to and he really enjoys are anything that has like balls, so he loves his ball pit that he got for his birthday. I'd say this would be great for children that are maybe 8+ months. I think they'd get a lot from it, but obviously we got it for him for his first birthday and he loves it. This one is from Mini Mason and it's just really nice because it actually looks quite stylish, and that's quite hard to find with a ball pit. So the outside is all soft, it's kind of foam wrapped in this jersey material, and you can choose different coloured balls to go in it, so that, yeah, just looks that little bit more stylish in your house. He loves shape sorters. Again, as they get more towards that 12-month stage, I think shape sorters can be really good. He doesn't always get it right, but he loves trying to put the different shapes in the different holes. He loves anything that he can take out and put back in again. So yeah, just really tactile things like that. He also loves anything musical that he can press the buttons on, as most children do. And we also got him this little basketball hoop for his birthday, again, which is slightly too old for him, but we've always found that getting slightly older presents for birthdays are good anyway, because within the next 6 months they've outgrown what you got them that was for their age, and they want to do something that's a bit more stimulating. So he loves this little basketball hoop, and he loves to try and throw the ball towards it, and it grows with them, so I think that's a really nice little one as well. So yeah, as I said, there's probably so much that I haven't mentioned in this video that we're still using on a daily basis, but that's because I've mentioned it in previous videos. So if you haven't watched those yet, I'll link them in the description box for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and go and subscribe. I get messages still all the time saying I've watched your videos for months or years, but I've only just subscribed. So many of you watch and you're not actually subscribed. So if there's a button down there that says subscribe, then that means you've never clicked it. So I would be so grateful if you did. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye!